Welcome my dear student. In this video I will discuss about geometrical proof for class 8 chapter 20.1. Look this carefully. This is question number 1. D is any point on side BC of ABC. This is the triangle ABC, and on this side BC there is a point D. We have to prove AB plus BC plus CA, this side plus this side plus this side, is measurement of these three sides is greater than 2 AD. First we have to draw the AD. How we can draw this? This is the point D and join this, then we will get AD. Look this carefully. First we have to write given. What is given? Triangle BC is a D is a point, D is a point on BC of triangle ABC. This is given. To prove, we have to prove AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2 AD. Now we have to construct. What is the construction part? This is the construction part. Join AD. This is the construction part. Join AD. Right. Now proof. In triangle ABD, first look this triangle ABD, this triangle. What we can get from this triangle? In triangle ABD, we can write AB plus BD, this is greater than equal to AD. How we can write this? We know sum of any two sides, sum of the measurements of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. If this be 3, this be 4 and this be 5, that is, this is 3 semi, 4 semi and this is 5 semi, then you can take any two sides and sum this, and that sum will be greater than third side. You can take these two sides, 5 plus 4 9, and this is greater than 3. Okay, for any two sides in this triangle we have taken AB plus BD, and this is greater than equal to AD, right, and put this number 1. Similarly, again in triangle ADC, what do we get in triangle ADC? AC plus DC is greater than AD, put this number 2. Now add these two, add this part and this part. What we will get? Adding 1 and 2, adding 1, 2, we get AB plus BD plus AC. Write DC first, okay, then we can shorter one line. DC plus AC is greater than AD plus AD. Look this carefully, this BD plus DC makes BC, therefore AB plus BC plus AC is greater than equal to 2 AD. This completes our proof. Look this, AB plus BC plus CA, CA means AC. You can also write this as CA, okay, write this at CA greater than 2 AD. Proof. Okay, proved. Right here, proved, PROVED, proved. This completes this proof. If there be any doubt, comment me. Okay. This is question number 1.